If you are looking for shows to binge like this, or early access to shows like this, then look for this icon. That's the Passport icon. It means that video is part of Passport, which offers extended access to a growing library of favorite PBS programs. Now, we will take you to the activation process for KPBS Passport. PBS Video app is available on Vizio Smartcast smart TVs. The app comes pre-installed and is free to activate. You can find the app in the scrollable list of apps on the Vizio TV's home screen or perform a search on your Vizio TV. You can open the app like this. It's time to activate your account. Click Activate Now, and you'll be instructed to go to pbs.org/activate on your mobile device or computer. You'll need to open up a web browser and type in the URL bar pbs.org/activate. Enter your unique activation key. Click the white text box space next to the blue button and type in your code. Once you've typed in your code, click Continue. Sign in with your information you use to activate KPBS Passport with your PBS, Facebook, Apple, or Google account. Your Vizio Smartcast TV is now activated. You'll have easy access when you're ready to stream all your favorite PBS shows anytime, anywhere.